club is full of ballers and they pockets full grown. Always say you got a girl, yeah, it's true, you got a man, but the party ain't gon' stop, so let's take it high. Last weekend you stayed at home alone and bitch couldn't find your man, he was chilling with his bitch.
Yo, what's poppin'? Yo, we finally got Red Velvet, Irene, and Seulgi's Monster Envy. Now, there's some confusion happening. I don't know what's happened to SM. Maybe you have to re-edit it. Maybe it was just too sexy. From what I hear, it's sexy. Maybe it was rated 19. Now it's rated 15. I don't know. But SM was playing. They put out one thing. They delay it. But hopefully, I don't know. I heard it was lit. My favorite type of like Red Velvet is every type of Red Velvet. But my favorite song is like Automatic. Like that kind of like R&B-ish. And from the teasers, it sounds like dubstep. So I'm not even sure what to expect. Bruh. Yo, let me spill some tea actually. That has something to do with Red Velvet. So when I was in Korea in 2017, ooh. Okay. But I was supposed to collab with Red Velvet. And a third party stopped me from doing it. Or just there was a I don't know, something happened from the third party. I will not name the third party, but it's nothing to do with SM, nothing to do with my team. Because the collab was, and I wanted to do this so bad. And people were, it was all a go. Great idea, simple idea. Making Red Velvet cupcakes with Red Velvet. Content. This is 2017, by the way. This is like years ago. And it unfortunately didn't happen. I mean, I was bummed, but it is what it is. I think SM really wanted that to happen too. Maybe that's why I got to work with NCT 127. Maybe it's like, oh, let's give Dre to work with NCT 127. I don't know. But if y'all still want to collab, I would love to collab. I still want to do that idea. So if anybody else does that idea, it was 2017 when I pitched the idea to them. Had everything to set. But, you know, some things, you know, maybe in the long run something else will happen, which it did. But I still want to work with Red Velvet. Before I start, I just want to say, go check out my new video. I tried to become Blackpink. It's pretty dope. Go check it out. You saw it in the beginning of the video. Go check it out. I also came from Twitch, by the way. Shout out to the Twitch fam. I do regularly stream every day. I've been playing Outlast 2, which has been crazy because y'all reached a sub goal and I made a promise and now I'm doing it. And check out my podcast, In My Feels. Go check it out. You know, I've been waiting for this. I'm kind of like hungry for this MV. Does that make sense? Have you ever been hungry for a music video? Of course we have. Let's get into this. Let's go. Let's begin. Play my intro. Alright, so Red Velvet, Irene and Seulgi subunit called Monster Envy. Wow, okay, captions are on. Let's get into this. The lights go to the music video. Oh my god, what is happening here? Okay, let's get into this. In 3, 2, 1. She crawling. What is happening? Oh my god. Yo, what? Bruh, I paused. I didn't even know I was gonna pause on that part. I'll horribly steal your heart and dominate you. We could just end this whole video right now because I'm not gonna survive that shit. Like, nah, we good. Decided to come back. I had to like rethink my thoughts. I realized I'm not ready for this and it's okay. I'm just gonna have to go through this like everybody else did. Let's do this. I'll crack every joint in my body and come close to your bed. What is happening? Bro, turn this up. Ooh. Girl. Oh my god. I dance to play as I cast a spell? Girl. Bro, you know what this is? 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 Alright, okay, I might get some hate for this, but I don't care. Ten and Taeyong from NCT. This is that. This is that. The way I felt for that is how I'm feeling for this. This is how I'm feeling right now. I'm sorry, this is how I'm gonna compare things. I don't really compare stuff, but still, this is how I feel. Let's continue. Let me back it up. Let me back it up all the way. Bro, this is gonna be as iconic as that, I feel. Bro, look at the choreo. Ooh, girl. Bro. Okay. This is my favorite already. Bro, I need to take out my glasses for this. Fuck my glasses. Bro, she got guns, my dude. Ooh. Ooh, I don't like dolls though. I don't like dolls. Yeah, boy. Oh my God, can I just appreciate this? Bro, I'm sweating. I'm freaking sweating, my dude. What? I'm a little monster. Oh, what the fuck was that? What? I mean, we all a little monster. I'm gonna be a little monster. Bro, SM made us a little monster when they delayed this MV. Bro, I was like, where's this MV? Now we finally get this. Thank you. Bro. Fam. Yo. Bro. This some body roll like. Ooh. God. So beautiful. Holy shit. I mean, we've been knew this, alright? Oh, I love that. That little intricate letter. Like, let me do it. Ooh. And like the. I'm loving this. Ooh. I knew you were gonna say that shit. Sometimes you can predict some things, like, you know when they're about to say it or when it should be said, but sometimes you can, like, be wrong. Oh my fucking God. Bruh. So I'm glad that they didn't do, like, full dubstep, like in the teaser, but it was, like, some sensual, like, oh, like that body roll, ooh. This is gonna be my favorite song. This is gonna be my 2020 K-pop top songs of this year. Yeah! My God, they are touching and feeling, my dude. Bro, I am sweating. I'm a little monster. Oh my God, this part right here. Bro, this is iconic. Listen, they gave me what I wanted. This is what I wanted. This is what I hoped for, and this is on my playlist, hands down. Like I said, how Baby Don't Stop was for me that time, this is for me right now. That's how I'm comparing it. I'm not comparing songs, obviously. I'm just saying that's how much I love the song, because I love Baby Don't Stop and I love I'm a Little Monster. Let's go, dreamers. Put a comment down below what you guys think. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe. Like this video for Irene and Seulgi and Red Velvet. Go like this video. Yo, go check out my new video, link in the description, where I try to become Blackpink. I think that's a pretty fun video, and hopefully you guys want more of that. Go share this with SM. Keep on dreaming, dreamers, dream, believe, do, repeat. If you have a dream out there, put some hard work into it. It might just come true. And I'll see you guys in the next video, okay? Or the next stream. I be streaming on Twitch every day. So, hey, let's go. All right, y'all. See you guys in the next video. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.